Hey, what's up, guys? So I found out how to locate your wife's G-spot using PowerShell, and I wanted to share this tutorial with you. So first, you need to create the file gspot finder underscore 9000.ps1. Good old PlayStation 1. But anyway, so we need to create a data structure for this, and PowerShell is pretty cool because we can have a whole bunch of nested arrays and shit. And our first one is just going to be like 1 and 2, and we're going to have like panties, and make sure that you add the commas right here. They're very important for nested arrays. And this one, let's say that we have like a finger 1 through 5, and then we have like a pinky, and then on that array we can close that out, and then on the next one we can create another nested, and we could do like 6 and 9. And then for this one we can do nope, and then maybe another array inside of this one, and we can do like smack, and then we can finally put G-spot. There it is, and then we can do boom and close that out. And then right below the G-spot, usually there's like a bedroom, some sheets, and then coconut oil. And we can close that out and close that out, and then that one. Boom. Nice, that looks good. So let's see if this prints, see if I fucked it up. My bad, I forgot the dollar forgot the dollar sign up there. Okay. So let's print this out, see if it works. Oh! Nice, we got it. Okay, so here, alright, so let's create the recursive G-spot finder function. Okay, so we're going to do function. We're going to call it G-spot finder 9000, and we're going to take in the array and then the path. And inside of this, we're just going to do a little loop. LT for less than, and we're going to use the array, and then we're going to do count, and then we're going to increment it. So right here we need to create a little string, so we can path I like that. And then now we have to check, let me see. Okay, so we need to check if this is an array. So we get the index right there, and then we do is, and then we do array. And if it is, call G-spot finder 9000 again, and then we're just going to pass in that value, and then for the path it's going to be p, that string that we made right here, and that's going to continue to search. So that's how we can find it. Dude, this is epic. So we can finally find her G-spot, bro. Dude, you can have her G-spot anywhere in this fucking nested array, and you'll be able to find it with this function. It's fucking epic. Okay, so we're almost done. So let's do an else if, and we're gonna do if this value equals, here we go, G-spot. If it equals G-spot, she's gonna be able to you know, but I can't say that, so we're just gonna do found it. Oh my god. And then we're gonna echo out found it, close that out, close that out, close that puppy out. Dude, we got it. I'm pretty sure I got everything right. Okay, let's see. So we go down here, let's save it, and nothing's, so now we just need to call G-spot finder 9000. Then we're gonna pass in the data. Okay, my bad, guys, there was a comma up here. That was my problem. Okay, so remove that comma. Forgot the I up here. Jesus, dude, I'm having a whole bunch of errors. Okay, let's clear this puppy out. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1. We found it. We found it. 1 1 0 1 1. There it is, dude. Let's go.